Hello, starting with this video tutorial, I will implement this micro internet having this topology and being given this network address 3.4.5.0/25 network, which has 128 IP addresses. I will start by implementing the first local area network, the network N1 here. And we did the calculations. We split it the /25 and we need a /27 for this network one. If you don't know how to do that, see my previous video. And I will implement this using PacketTracer. Typically in a local area network we need a central point, a switch. This is a 24 ports switch, and we are going to need some computers, maybe a laptop. Usually we will have one server, and in order to be able to get out from this LAN to the internet, we're going to need a router. I'm going to use for router an empty router, the last one here in the list, and because it's empty I'm going to add some network interfaces. As you can see, we have no network interfaces. In order to add network interfaces from the left, we'll have to power down the router first, then I will add some copper gigabit Ethernet interfaces here, and I will just put 5 interfaces there, and I will turn on the router. Now we should interconnect the devices. We are going to use straight through cables. I'll explain the difference between straight through and crossover cables on another tutorial. So we're going to connect one end of the cable in the Ethernet port of the computer and in any of the Ethernet ports on the switch. We did the same for the laptop. For the server, and just to simplify our topology, I'm going to connect the cable from our switch to our first interface in our router. In my case is gigabit Ethernet 0/0. And now if we go back to our settings, we saw that we have a 3.4.5.0/27 for this network. Let's write it down here. So we have a 3.4.5.0/27. This means that we have IP addresses from 3.4.5.0 up to 3.4.5.31, because there are 32 IP addresses in this local area network. But remember that we cannot use the first IP address, which is the network address, and the last IP address from the range, which is the broadcast address. And for the simplicity, for our convenience, we're going to use the first usable IP address, in this case 3.4.5.1 for the router, the second usable IP address for the server, and then the rest of them for the computers. I will show you how to assign IP addresses in another video tutorial. Thank you for watching.